Gwangalli Beach. Gwangalli Beach. Okay, lead the way.
광안리 엔드론 나이트 쇼는 광안리 해변 어디서나 관람할 수 있는 공연입니다. 관람객물집 구역에 머무르지 마시고 백사장 넓은 곳에서 안전하게 관람해 주시기 바랍니다. Your attention, please. Tonight's 7 o'clock performance of Gwangalli Endro Night Show will begin. For pleasant and safe
It is. I've been looking at the moon. It looks different from over here. Larger. It's cool. And what is that? Is that a TV screen? Do you see the... Oh, that's the bridge. It looks like it's a screen. Okay, where do you want to stand? Okay. She wants us down here. Okay. Sounds good. Yeah, lead the way.
รูปการแสดง Gwangalli Endro Live Show รอบ 19 นาฬิกากำลังจะเริ่มขึ้นแล้ว ขอความร่วมมือทุกท่านรับชมจากบริเวณนอกแนวรั้วของชายหาดเพื่อความปลอดภัยและความสนุกสนานในการ
This is where all of them are. That's scary. But this is not that crowded compared to Japan.
광안리 드론 라이브 쇼를 관람하실 분들은 지난 안에 백사장으로 이동 부탁드립니다. 인도 배달 통행로에 서 계시지 마시고 즉시 이동 부탁드립니다. 광안리 드론 라이브
Alright, so they don't want you standing here. Yeah, you know, that's good. Oh, they're keeping it clear in case there is a stampede. That's actually pretty smart. That way you could get out. Although the beach is big. Yeah. Okay. Beautiful. 8 minutes. Yeah, this is the bridge. Okay, so when I first came to Busan, I stayed all the way down there, and then I took the bridge and an Uber. There's this bridge. It's a really cool bridge. Kind of scary though. Have you driven over it?
In fact, we have few bridges. If you go from Nampo, you should cross like through at least 2.
Maybe it was it's scary.
I like walked on that bridge. It was like some kind of event.
Oh,
Yeah, and they closed it for cars, and I walked from that way.
nice. I did that in Philadelphia too. It's called the Benjamin Franklin Bridge. And when the Pope, you know, the Catholic Pope visited, they closed all the traffic, and I got to walk in the road, like what you did. It's really cool.
I do it like a few times a year, sometimes for a marathon and sometimes just for like walking.
That's awesome. I think more cities should do that. It's a cool event, and it's free.
Yeah, sometimes it's free, but sometimes you need to register and pay like for the t-shirt and this kind of.
Gotcha. For the marathon, or the yeah. I mean, for the city, it's free. Like, yeah,
They give you some kind of a medal, stuff that if you finish.
I love the boats with the lights. It must be cold though.
Check the cruise like counter. There are few cruises. They're not expensive, like maybe 20,000.
That's really cheap.
Yeah,
Can you get your own rooms?
it's like a small boat, and it's like maybe 1 or 2 hours.
I see.
看到我了啊！
Yeah, a tour. Like a Have you been?
Yeah, I've been like few times.
Probably during the summer though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Might be kind of cold.
我对你要再加一点，这样就很像阿萨姆岛城。
This is really cool. I can see why you like living here now. A little more lively than Vladivostok, maybe. Although, maybe one day it'll look like this. Yeah. It's not always good. But this is nice. Do you live in like a tall building?
In fact, my building has like 25 floors, and I live on the 16th floor.
Oh, nice. That's a good view. I'm on floor 12. And it's a really good view of a little bit. Mostly buildings. Mostly just Paradise Hotel. That's all I can see. A little bit of the beach. Cool.
My view I have on the mountain, like other side, take this boat like for the evening to check also the stone shoe. I think
You're right.
they came here like
Private tour. Yeah, you could, in Texas, you could see the SpaceX, the rocket launch, and you can book a private boat. I've always wanted to do that, but it's very expensive. Everything in America is very expensive.
I saw you have a picture from this SpaceX.
Yeah.
Is it real?
Yeah. Yeah. The rocket or the picture?
The picture.
Yeah, it's real.
Okay.
Yeah, I love going down there.
什么？
The rocket is real too.
Can you go like for the like some kind of excursion or what?
Not really. It's still undeveloped a little bit. It's developing very quickly because of all the tourists, but you could camp there. There's a few hotels, very small, like only a few thousand people. It's a little calmer.
Nature, you also have a lot of places nice nature, like a lot of national parks.
Yeah, I'm really starting to appreciate that more as I get older. So does Russia has a lot of parks too, right? A lot of nature.
They do not protect a lot our country, preserve all the beautiful spots.
Yeah, it's very important. Otherwise, it becomes all buildings. Very important.
Houston, right?
No, not really. There's like 1/20th of this. There's skyscrapers, but it's only in downtown. And there's high-rise apartment buildings, like 20 stories, not much higher than that. It's more wider than it is high.
And Americans like to live in their own houses and apartments.
Yes, very much. Yeah, apartments are for like single people, usually. It is nice.
9, 8,
Like
There we go.
6,
Recording.
5, 4, 3, 2.
This is cool. Busan is good.
from there.
Oh, there they are. Oh. Cool.